Tired of endlessly scrolling for fresh content? Let's build your personal content curator with an RSS feed powered by Zapier, and you'll never miss a beat. First, we're heading to Zapier. Think of Zapier as your digital assistant. Connecting all your favorite apps and services to automate tasks, you'll need a Zapier account. And if you don't have one, the free tier is a fantastic place to start. Once logged in, locate and click the prominent Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. Our first step is setting up the trigger. This is the event that will kick off our RSS feed creation. In the search bar, type RSS and select the RSS by Zapier integration. From the available trigger events, choose New Item in Feed. This tells Zapier to watch an existing RSS feed for new content. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the RSS feed URL of the source you want to monitor. You can find these URLs on most blogs and news websites, often indicated by an RSS icon or a link labeled feed. Next, we define the action. This is what Zapier will do when it detects a new item in your chosen RSS feed. Click the plus icon to add an action step and search for RSS by Zapier again. This time, select the Create Item in Feed action. This will generate a new entry in your custom RSS feed for every new piece of content from your source. You'll then configure the details of your new RSS feed item. Will map information from the original RSS feed for the title. Select the title from the trigger step for the link. Choose the permalink, and for the description, you can select the content summary or even the full content. Give your new RSS feed a descriptive name. Zapier will then generate a unique URL for your custom RSS feed. This is the feed you'll share and subscribe to. Before publishing, it's crucial to perform a test trigger to ensure Zapier can read your source feed, and then a test action to confirm your new RSS feed item is created correctly. Once everything looks good, hit Publish Zap. And there you have it. You've just created your own dynamic RSS feed using Zapier. Now, you can add this feed to your favorite RSS reader, share it with others, or even use it as a trigger for other automations, turning content chaos into curated clarity.